Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today let us see how to do ladder hem stitch on drawn thread. For this I am using 2 strands of embroidering thread, white. You can also use machine thread. We will work this stitch from right to left. Start at the right end of the drawn thread, just below the drawn thread area. Pass the needle through some 8 or 10 strands of threads and take it out. Now insert the needle again in the same drawn thread area and take it out at a point below in the fabric and pull over. We have finished the first hem stitch. Once again pass the needle through drawn thread, picking 8 to 10 threads and take it out. Now pass the needle through the previous point in the drawn thread area and take it out in the fabric. We have finished the next stage. I have already posted a video for drawn thread hem stitch, how to draw threads for this embroidering and how to fill the corners of the drawn thread, and I have shared all the links in the description. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links in the description. In this same method I am going to hem all the drawn thread throughout this line. Now I have come to the end of the line. After finishing one side, we will come to the next side. Once again insert the needle at the right end of the drawn thread, just below the drawn area. Pass the needle through the same threads and again do the hemming. See, once again pass the needle through the same number of threads and take it out. Again insert the needle in the drawn thread area and take it out in the fabric just below the drawn thread area, and you are doing the hemming on the other side with the same number of threads. So it will look like a ladder. See, once again insert the needle through the same number of threads and pull over. Again insert the needle inside the drawn thread area and take it out on the fabric like this. And this is the basic stitch for most of the drawn thread embroidering work. I am using same color thread. You can also use different color threads for this hemming. And now I have finished the ladder hem stitch. I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you have any doubts, please comment. If you like this video, share with your friends and also subscribe for my channel. Thank you.